pa, pati pito.
My friend, how are you?
Diyan ka pa, yo.
Shout out, creation, number wahid, rakam wahid. Shout out, cash office.
Binigay mo isa dito?
Number 1. Guys, how are you today? We're going to Shoka Dam with my friends Edgar, Ryan, Arby, Glenn, and Marlon and Joseph. Good morning, everyone. This is Yorme 23. Welcome to my vlog. Shout out katropang Miguel, Loverboy, and David. Take care. Hello to all seaman, sea woman, and also to all my friends. Kenya. Okay lang, u-turn mo na lang. Big Paul and Big Sam from Morocco. Boss, sumuko ka na. Amin.
Pre, dito
and Otman.
pinakamalapit na kainan.
From
Ito yun.
UAE. Mohammed. Stay healthy, my friend. Guys, I'm here. Alrega. Shout out to all Rega boys. Stay pretty boy. Shout out May and Alan from J Bonchi, Morsel. Best regards to my friend Drex and Icy from Penhaligon. Take care. Hi to Marisa and Divine, my batchmate. Take care always. Guys, please don't forget subscribe. Yorme 23. Support me. Thank you very much. Natutulog sa pansitan.
Tutulugan sila. Pare-pare tayong gising. Dahil tayo po eh.
I thought somebody is going to.
Sorry my friend, ha? How much? Kitna rupees, kitna?
Cappuccino caramel.
Guys, we are here, Al Shoka, Manama, UAE, Ras Al Khaimah, Dubai, with my friend Edgar from Creation, Joseph from CD, and Glenn aka Baby James, Dulce Gabbana, number 8, Mia Mia. Shout out Electronics Stop from Concourse A, Ship D, Wilson, and Alan. Stay pretty boy, my friend. Stay healthy always. Hello to all Shipsy Concourse! My big boss, Boss Sanjay Lama, Sir Benz, Sir Buddy, Sir Nabil, Sir Jamal,
Wadi Shoka Hiking Trails,
Madam Rose,
Ras Al Khaimah,
Ma'am Leia,
UAE.
and DM Secretary Ma'am Jello, Ma'am Lisette, and Ma'am Carmi. Stay beautiful, stay healthy, take care. Shipsy number 1, Rakam Wahid, Mia Mia, Kulu Tamam. We're planning to swimming at Al Shoka Dam. We're planning to swimming.
Oh, hindi. Oh, maliligo.
Everybody.
Ligo tayo para ano? Ano dito?
We're going now to Jebel Jais, Ras Al Khaimah. From Al Shoka, going to Ras Al Khaimah, Jebel Jais is 150 kilometer. Very far.
Wala na pre. Naligaw na.
Si tropa nagtampo na, pinagtaksilan daw siya. Mga bata pa eh.
East Coast Road for
Tatlong China, Yarme.
Take coffee, guys. We are here in Ras Al Khaimah. Hello to Ma'am Ibet family and Alan Wines. Take care always and stay healthy. Regards to all Emirates Hospital. Take care always and enjoy your life.
continue on Al Manama.
Galing din nila mag...
50 kilometers to, pre. Doon ka sa baba.
Arby Timbang.
Ayun, tayo sumama yung daliri ko eh.
Edgar Creation.
Taga na pre, kung ka pinipicture.
Joseph. From City. Arby Timbang. Marlon Cash Office. Glenn aka James. Dulce Gabbana, Rakam White. Shout out all Dulce Gabbana.
Pre, bawal kami dito, magkabay kami.
Ryan Bullet aka
Joseph, nasama na pre.
from Lugs Department, Rakam Wahid.
Sabay kami dito.
Guys, we are here now at Jebel Jais.
Kunin mo na yung bakal, Day.
Time check,
Yung bakal sa ilalim.
8:30 PM Dubai time. My friends, RB, Ryan, Glenn, we assemble the tent for sleeping time. Number 1. Let's eat, guys. I'm feel hungry.
Ay, yung driver mo.
Let's go.
Sab, kain ka na dyan, gara. Ako na bahala.
This is my tent we buy at Decathlon, Batuta Mall. Color white is for Glenn, aka Baby James. Dulce Gabbana, Rakam White, number 1, number X.
Cellphone.
This is RB Tembuang, aka the Master Chef at Jebel Jais. Mia.
Test drive ka.
Parang ang dami upuan kanina.
Queen ba yan?
Hindi, double.
Double.
Bang baso yun.
Kahit ng first morning natin, pabarulan sa Russell Kaiman.
Guys,
Nag-crossover yun.
one of my friend after eating
Useless naman magkapit.
is sleeping time.
Gamit hanggang dito.
What is this? Why like this?
Nag-ML. Nag-aata.
My food, barbecue shrimp, grapes, fruit, and mango. Delicious, number 1.
Ito hindi napatutok ng diretso, pre.
Shout out, Boss Ernie. Where are you, my friend? Why like this? Come here. Jebel Jais, Rakam White, Mia. Regards to all DG boys. Roy the Legendary, Konsi, Allen, Kitoy, Edgar Brescia, Uncle Pitts, Ron Chua, Dominic Solis, Tuyay. Stay healthy, stay pretty boy. Take care, my friend. Morning, guys. How are you?
Kamusta kita kaka-showbiz? Lalo na mga kamag-anak ko sa Pilipinas. Shoutout sa mga Pinangigi family, sa Molina family, sa mga kasamahan ko sa Ka-Showbiz sa duty free. Especially Shipsy
Number 1.
Shipsy number 1.
Number 1. Morning guys. Hello to all Emirates Airline. Marhaba. Dinata. G4S. Innovate. And to all Shipsy. Concourse A. Especially to all my big boss. Boss Sanjay, Boss Shapik, Boss Tangkachan. Stay healthy always, boss. Stay strong and take care always. God bless. Shout out Creation Group, Boss Dia, Miss Beautiful Joanna and Christine. Stay healthy always and keep safe. More sail. God bless. Guys, you see the weather forecast. Jibelja is 7 degrees Celsius. Very cold.
No? Mababa itong ano.
Hello to all my beautiful duty managers, Ma'am Hazel, Ma'am Nori, Ma'am Tox, Ma'am Joy, Ma'am Jasmine. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, and take care always. Guys, don't forget, like and follow my YouTube channel, Yorme23. Thank you very much.
Ingat din kayo.
Shout out to Ate Hailin, happy vacation, and Katrina from Sicily. Also Ate Rosalinda Perigamo, Inday Sara. Stay healthy always. Regards to all Street 10 and Street 3 Basketball Association. Play safe. Enjoy the game. Guys, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Stay healthy always. Enjoy your life. Masalam. God bless to all.